know I'm going in. You just missed the real shit, I guess I'm going in. Trapped out with the locks out, guess I'm going in. Nappy locks, white boy swag. You can see me with the button down, looking fresh. I'm just really trying to get it, yeah, I'm super dressed. Always looking super cool. All these people on my jet. See me coming, come correct. All these people give respect. I kill the beat and get the jets. See me coming, I make them flex. See me coming, I make them checks. And I be coming back, let me flex like, I don't really give a fuck though. I don't really give a fuck those. All these people like the fuck those. I'm just trying to get though. All these people like the tempo, like the tempo. Yeah, I'm killing it. Everybody looking at me kind of villainous. They can see me because I'm coming out drilling shit. Everybody know that I'm gonna go spill the kid, spill the milk, spill the sick, spill the fill. Everybody love to think, but I don't give a fuck cause I'm off the brink of insanity. How they manage me, they can't stand me. They're like, goddamn, he need a couple more Grammys. I get one in the first place, but they can go and try to slam me. All these people be coming up, really try to just clam me up, but I don't give a fuck cause I never conform to the system, bruh, cause I'ma keep on doing me. See me coming, I'm living free, it's 50th Street. You can see me coming, I'm doing this shit, killing beats. Yeah, I did the streets, kill the streets with the hottest shit. Hottest young and I'm copping wicks, ain't copping whips, but I'm copping shit. And these people say that I'm popping chicks like, I don't really give a fuck, don't spend no money on no females though. Real women, everybody just coming at me, killing the flow, killing the Joe when I'm smoking the Joe. And these people say that my flow is so flow, but I'm thinking that everybody like fuck it. It's just do it for the Vine, do it for the Instagram. See me coming on the internet. I don't really give a fuck, cause I don't really give a damn. All these people sound like dick man, like sick man. Yeah, you looking sick with that white boy flux. Like, nah, go ahead, get it.
I'm just twisting at my chin and shit. I'm on my trying to win and shit. Charlie Sheen and got me a new wife. Had them niggas looking at her twice. Cause she got me changing my whole life. That nigga used to be something so trite. Now I'm thinking on some next shit. Found the 3S, now I'm on this best shit. Riding the fucking wave like Super Surfer. Silver Surfer, like Marvel hero, I Silver Surfer. Worker, give it that purple. Time to the percolate, coming straight, never hesitate. Better believe I. Oh shit.
Oh, they killed the vibe, dude. They do it for the vibe.
Hey, hold up.
Oh, you got a phone call?
Yeah. No, I gotta make a phone call.
Oh shit.
You see, I can't stop thinking about her. So let me just call her and do it.
We just got this shit on video.